The DIN rail-mounted type Wi-Fi to serial adapter include RS-232, RS-422, or RS-485 interface. The adapter supports TCP, UDP server or client, HTTP client, HTTPS client, or cloud system. For example, MQTT. The default is AP mode. You can set as STA mode. TCP server links up to max 12 clients. The connector of the RS-232 type includes male or female DB9. The connector of the RS-422 or RS-485 type is 6P terminal block. The housing is rigid and compact. Built-in fixing holes for easy fixing. There are 4 LEDs to indicate the status. The adapter will be reset to default value by pressing the button. On the rear side, the switch will swap DC, DTE, or RS-422, RS-485. There are 3 power input sources. The pin 9 of DB9, Type-C USB or 2P terminal block. The voltage supports 5 to 40 VDC. Their 4 LED indicate the status of the power, link, access point, or station mode setting. The followings are the network applications. The default is AP mode. You can link the adapter by smartphone or PC. The third party's AP will extend the range. The adapter supports 1 server links up to 10 clients. The point-to-point, unicast, broadcast, or cloud is available. For example, AWS, MQTT, ALI, Google, Apple, or etc. The adapter is configured by web page. 1. Use the PC or NB to connect the Wi-Fi AP of the adapter. 2. Execute the browser. The IP address is 192.168.0.3. 3. Log in and configure the adapter. 4. On the basic page, you'll configure the serial port and application. It includes the baud rate from 1200 to 921,600 bps. 5 to 8 data bits, none, odd, or even pattery. Enable or disable the flow control, CTS or RTS. The network include TCP server or client, UDP server or client, HTTP or HTTPS. The default port no is 5000. The max link number for the TCP server is 12 TCP clients. 5. On the advanced page, you will upgrade the firmware. Please select the file from the PC or smartphone. Press the upload button to process the OTA. The adapter will reboot after upload finished. The user can change the username and password. Number. 6. On the Wi-Fi page, you will configure the AP, STA, AP plus STA, Wi-Fi channel, SSID, security key setting. The station modes support WPS3 encryption. The fixed IP, or DHCP IP setting. For the AP mode, you can set the IP range for the linked stations. For the station mode, you can set the fixed or to be assigned the IP, subnet mask, or gateway from the AP. 7. On the Wi-Fi wizard, you can search the AP and select one to link as the station. Press scan and the scanned SSID will be listed in the windows. Choose one SSID to connect, enter the security key, fixed IP, subnet mask, and gateway, or select DHCP. Apply the setting and the adapter will reboot to become station. 8. On the status page, you will see the network status include the firmware version, all linked IP, and MAC address list. Thanks for your time. The product can be customized by your requirements. If you need any information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.